Hi, my name is Benjamin, and I do a code mentorship at letsboot.com in Basel, Switzerland, and I do a front web development nano degree at Udacity online. And today I wanted to show you my project, my third project in the course, where I had to make a web page responsive and with styles. I needed a logo, a title, a paragraph, a list, and a gallery of pictures, at least 4 pictures, but here I have 8. So on the left side of the screen, you can see this is the unstyled version. It's just a base HTML and my pictures with a little description below each picture. And on the right side is my styled sheet. As you can see, the title goes alongside of the logo. There's a description of the city that I want to talk about. There's some highlights in a list. There's a title for the gallery, and then there's pictures. If you hover over the picture, it gets bigger, just like that. I found a really cool idea. And then I just added a short description in each picture right here, just to make the gallery a bit nicer. And as you can see in the background as well, I have a gradient, so I have a white to gray to white again. And then the title is a different color. Just to show the change for the responsiveness, I have a dark blue, a normal blue, and then a dark green color for the title, just so you can see the difference. And I had to make the website responsive to a Google Nexus 5, which has a width of 412 pixels, an Apple iPad with a width of 768 pixels, and then a desktop where I just made the responsiveness start past the 769 pixels after the iPad. And then I move over to the coding. All right, this is the HTML part. With the CSS, there's links for the different responsiveness. So I have 3 different files here for the CSS. I added the basic information that you need for everything to be responsive. And then here I have the logo, the title, the description of the city, and then some bullet points. And then here I have the gallery. Nice and easy, simple, easy does it. For my course, I had to have everything well organized so I don't forget where some files are. And I have, just quickly I'll show you, I have my CSS folder with the different CSS files, and I have the image folder with the 8 images and the logo right here. And then I have the HTML file, the main one, and then this one's no CSS file. It's just the example I showed you in the beginning. And then the standard style sheet, which is just, this style sheet is just here as a reference in case I mess something up. So now I'll show you the responsiveness of the website, and I will start with the small CSS file, which goes to a max of 412 pixels, just like the Google Nexus 5. I made sure that the width of the description and the list are 350 pixels. The gallery was also a max of 350 pixels, and the same with the image, just so everything conforms. And let me show you. So I'm going to hit F12 for the console, and here you go. All right, here on the console, this is the Nexus 5X, and you can see there's no wiggling on to the left to the right, so it's just up and down. And just to show that there is a change in responsiveness, I've added a different color to the title, which is a dark blue. As you can see, everything fits in there one after another, and the pictures are still responsive. So that's really cool. Here's the medium style sheet with the minimum width of 413 pixels to a max of 768 pixels. So here I've made a max width of 750 pixels for the about. For the gallery, I have a max width of 350 pixels and a max width of 700 pixels. For the header of the gallery, I have a minimum width of 350 pixels and a max width of 700 pixels. And then this may look weird for the description, but these numbers fit with the 400 pixels of the image. For the iPad, I'll show you on the console right here. You can see there's also no wiggling again. It's just up and down. And as you can see, the title is blue, a lighter shade of blue. Show the difference. And the description, the bullet points, the title, and the pictures all fit really nicely in here. And I will also show you the the desktop version of CSS file. It starts at a minimum width of 769 pixels. And there you go. The change for the desktop version, it turns green right here. Here, when I remove the console, it's back to a desktop view. And as you can see again, the title is a dark green color. This is the desktop styling. And as you can see, This is the gallery I wanted to show you. If you make the page smaller, there's just going to be more and more pictures added one after another. All right, and there's still one more thing that I want to show you. It's just to show you the different responsiveness again. I'm gonna go make it smaller. As you can see, the gallery turns 1 to 1, and here you go. Here's the change. The pictures get smaller, and the title changes too. And then, as you can see from here, here you go. There you go. Now we're in the Nexus 5 area, and the title has changed again. So here's my project. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much. Goodbye.